Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yellow from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the beak. Let's draw a curved line down, and then another curve down on the right. Now from the bottom, let's curve it up and into the center, and the same on the other side. And then draw two lines for the nostrils. Now from the sides, let's curve it down to a point. And then from the corners, we're going to angle it inside like this. And again, let's curve it down to the bottom. Next, let's add the teeth. Let's start with the top row by drawing pointed V shapes across. And now let's do the same thing along the bottom. Next, at the bottom in the gap, let's draw a triangle-shaped tooth. And then let's draw another row of teeth behind. And lastly, in the center of the mouth, let's draw two curves for the tongue. And that's it for the beak. Let's draw the shape of the head next. Let's start by drawing a large circle shape like this. And now let's move inside and add the eyes. On the top left of the beak, let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right. And then color both eyes in black. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body now. Let's start under the beak, and we're going to draw two curves down for the neck. And then curve it out for the shoulders. Next, from the shoulders, let's draw a point down and back in for the arms. Now from the bottom of the arm, let's draw a curve down on both sides for the body. Now leave a gap, and we're going to draw a U-shape in between. And that's it for the body. Let's add the legs next. Hop up from the gap, and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then a curve underneath. And then connect the lines at the bottom. Next, underneath, let's draw two angled lines down. and the same on the right. Now inside, at the top, let's draw a small curve. And now let's draw the feet at the bottom. From the inside, let's curve it down. And then from the outside line, we're going to curve it out and down. And now close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. And that's it for this yellow duck. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!